Okay, so we're going to dilate with a scale factor of 1/3, which means it's getting smaller, right? So we're going to make something that's smaller by 1/3 from point P. Okay, so let's see what we do on that one. So if that's a starting point, that means every single point we're going to think about the distance from that point and take 1/3 of it. So P is 0 away from P. So basically P prime is still going to be right there, okay? Now R, on the other hand, how far is that away? Well, let's see. It is 2 over and 3 up. So 2 over and 3 up. If we did 1/3 of that, that's a little bit, okay, so 1/3 of that would be 3 times 1/3, that would be 1, right? You can also take your calculator and go 1 divided by that, you're going to get 0.333, and then you can multiply it by the 3, and you're going to get 1. So now we just get R goes 1 up, and then if you take 2 times 1 over 3, again, you can take your calculator and go 1 divided by 3, and you get 0.33. If you multiply by 2, you're going to get like about 0.6666. So that means it goes over, not quite 1, but about 2/3 of the way, and then it goes up 1, okay? So we're going to get something like that for R prime. Not very nice numbers, but approximation's fine. So O, what does O do? O goes over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1/3 of 6 is 2. So it goes over 6 that way, and it goes up 2. And so we know that 2 times 1/3. Okay, so this one's going to go 1/3 of 6 is going to be 2 that way. And then instead of going up 2, 1/3 of 2 is 0.66 or 2/3. So these numbers are not nice, but it is what it is. So now we're going to go over 2 and over about like this. So this thing is going to be, that's your O prime. It's going to look like this. Okay, so P prime, R prime, O prime is 1/3 of the big one, and that's how you would do it. So I know the numbers aren't pretty, but don't be scared of fractions. You can turn them into decimals, go 1 divided by 3, and then multiply them out, and then kind of guesstimate. If every single square is 1 unit, 0.66 would be a little bit more than half. And again, the final figure should be kind of parallel. The corresponding side should be parallel.